Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to distort vocals in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can get started playing. You can go ahead and get started recording yourself and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to distort our vocals and get the distortion effect. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here by tapping on it, and it's going to open up this new recording menu where we can get started recording ourselves. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and record yourself so that you can go ahead and get that distorted effect. So you can go ahead and get started recording by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen right here. As you can see, it's going to start the recording effect, and now we can get started with adding our distortion. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and add any of the effects right here that you might want to use, such as the telephone effect, monster effect. That's going to get you the desired effect. But if you just want to add a distortion, what you want to do is go right here into upper left corner, click on the sliders option. That's going to open up the track settings right here, and you scroll down, you can find the plugins and equalizer. So what you want to do is open up plugins and equalizer by clicking on it, and here you can go ahead and take a look at all the options you have, such as the compressor, where you can take a look at the compressor threshold. You can go ahead and manage your compressor settings. And basically, if you can distort yourself, if you have the plugin right here, it's going to appear right here, and you can go ahead and get started with using all the effects right here to get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.